Hi guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this platform, my name is Milton Fonkwa, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and you turn off the notification bell. Alright, thank you so much. The notification bell is the subscribe button for those who don't know, and also do like and comment in all our videos. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much. In my last videos, a friend or friends have been asking me how to do online courses for free. For those who didn't know, if you are looking for an online course for free, go to your Google and type, or in your Google search engine, and you type EDX. With EDX, you are required to put in an email address and a password. You sign in, you register and you sign in. There you will see a lot of courses in many of our top universities. You will find universities like those of in Australia, Sydney. You will also find programs in the Harvard. You will also find programs in so many renowned universities in the world. Okay, with EDX, it has free courses, free, absolutely free. If you are looking for a free online course to study, if you are also looking for another website or another platform to study free courses, go to Coursera. Alright, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, or if you don't know the spellings, go to the description of this video. You are going to find everything linked down there. Thank you so much guys, thank you for today. In today's video, I'm going to talk about study opportunities in Norway. Norway is also a Scandinavian country with a lot of glacier mountains and also a lot of inland fjords. Alright, in Norway, the currency used is called the Norwegian krone. Alright, and they also have two languages. There, international students are opportune to speak English, and also their bachelor students or Norwegian citizens are opportune to speak their own language, which is the Norveg. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to demystify the process of admissions into this amazing country. Norway is found in Northern Hemisphere, or in Northern Europe, and it is bordered by Denmark, Russia, and Finland. Norway is a very good country. It is also good in petroleum products, alright, like same like Russia, you know, the oil products. And again, a capital is found in Oslo. Norway is a country with over 5 million inhabitants. And in order for you to get an admission in Norway, you need to know some of the universities in Norway. In Norway, tuition is free. Same like some universities in Germany. Let me say some universities in Norway, tuition is free. Okay, so don't get it mixed up. In fact, Norway and Germany are the only two European countries now which have free programs for bachelor's and some master's program or some bachelor's degree programs taught in English language. Alright, so don't get it mixed up. Now, there are a list of universities. There are over 23 universities in Norway, and renowned universities include the University of Oslo, the University of Bergen, the University of Ada, Norwegian University of Science and Technology, Norwegian University of Economics, okay, the University of Tromsø, the University of Stavanger, University of Norway, the University of Applied Economics. All these universities are found in Norway, and there you are opportune to study for free as an international student. Remember, there is no application fee payment, there is no tuition fee payment for you, but there are things you have to satisfy, or there are requirements you have to satisfy in order to study in this country. Now, the process in detail. How do you apply for a school in Norway? I have demystified I have brought forth the list of universities for you to do your admission. Now, there is a system, or let me say a way they do admission, or admissions are carried out in Norway. First of all, you need to know some universities have their admission procedures, some programs, and there are a variety of universities in Norway and different varieties of programs. Okay, for example, admissions in Norway are carried out in the period of September, October, November, and ends on December 1st. Alright, for Norwegian universities, you are opportune to apply and upload your certificates, alright, your educational certificates online. You also organize the ones they are required, or they are asking you to send as hard copies. Now, There are universities in Norway which have just master's degree programs in English language, alright? There are some which have both bachelor's and master's degree programs in English language, not all. And remember, as an international student, your education is free, alright? But you must satisfy some monetary requirements or some financial abilities in order to study in this country. Now, when admissions open by September, October, you are required to go into the university website. Take, for example, the University of Oslo. You are required to apply, check their requirements, check the required documents they want. For bachelor's degree students, when you are applying, or if you want to apply for a university in Norway, you are required to do the following. There is a central board, the Norwegian Educational Board, which says if you are applying for a bachelor's program in Norway, you must at least pass through a secondary school, or you must have obtained at least a higher diploma or a higher secondary school certificate, which means in this case for Cameroonians or for Cameroon students, you are required to present your ordinary level certificate and your advanced level certificate and a copy of your English proficiency in order to get admission, all right, or to be favored, or in order to stand out. I would recommend always provide your English proficiency, all right, guys. Now, to apply for master's degrees in Norway, you need to show proof that you have graduated at a university for at least 3 years, that you spent 3 years maximum, or at least 3 years in a desired university in another foreign country in order to apply. Alright, so if you are applying for a degree in Norway, let me say a bachelor's degree, you need to show proof that you have completed high school. Alright, for Cameroonians, for Nigerians, Ghanaians, and South Africans, the process is different. Alright, for the Sri Lankans, the Bangladeshi, or people from Bangladesh, the Pakistanis, the Indians, their own process is different, and also the Chinese and the Vietnamese. So check the requirements with respect to your country. There are a lot of rules in order for you to follow. Remember, the tuition is free. Therefore, you need to follow strict instructions. Abide to those instructions in order to get your admission. Now, for you to apply in a Norwegian university for a bachelor's degree, there is a university, the Norway University in Norway, have bachelor's degree programs. Okay, for you to apply, you need a copy of your ordinary level certificate, advanced level certificate, your English proficiency exam, and in some cases you are required to provide a bank statement to show proof that after your admission, if you are given the admission, you will also have money to provide in a bank account in order to move to Norway. The money is yours, you control the account, nobody have access to it. Okay, and I'm going to come to that. Now, my focus is on master's degree students. All right, for master's degree students, if you are doing an admission in Norway or in a Norwegian university, remember, listen to me very well and pay attention. There are a couple of things you have to satisfy. First of all, the universities in Norway will require you to tell your university where you obtain your bachelor's degree to send your official transcript directly to them. You are not the one to send your transcript, your bachelor's degree transcript, if you are applying for a master's degree in Norway. Remember, for Cameroonians, for Nigerians, for Ghanaians, most African countries, you will always find the instruction there. Tell your university or their higher education institution to forward a copy of your official transcript to your desired university in Norway. So, always read the instructions. If you send the transcript yourself, you will be terminated from the admission. Okay? So, follow the rules. If you are applying, you go into the university web page or the website, you register, you apply, you upload your PDF scan copies of your certificates. Alright, since there is no application fee for master's degree student, remember there is also an additional document. It is compulsory for the master's degree student. You must provide a bank statement alongside, and you will upload it. This bank statement is telling the Norwegian government that if you are given the admission, you will have the desired money that they are saying on the bank statement, which is owned by you in some cases or your sponsor, that you will transfer the desired money into your bank account in Norway. I'm going to come to that. All right, so when you apply, there is time they will take to process your documents. Then there is also time their results will be out. When your results are out, what do you do next? There is a procedure. When you have been given the admission, now there is a procedure. All right. The first procedure is that you have to accept your spot into the university. And when you accept your spot into the university, what happens? What is going to happen is that the university will send you your admission letter, all right, again with a bank name on it. In most cases, the Norwegian government will provide a bank name to all universities, a unique bank name. In some cases, or in other cases, the universities will write the name of the bank on top of your admission letter where you will transfer your funds inside in Norway. All right. So when you are issued, or when you have been given your admission letter, you have a date to accept your offer. Yes, by accepting the offer, you have a certain amount of money, which is equivalent to like 40 euros to pay to the university that you are going to come to Norway. All right. What next again do you need? When you pay this money, you have confirmed your spot. Now, you are going to deposit that amount of money into that same bank account written on top of your admission letter. All right. Now, in the past years, the money was like close to 16,000 Norwegian krone. But nowadays, the University of Norway have a bank account with Danske Bank. All right. That is the bank you are going to use to deposit your money inside. And how much is the money? The money is 121,220 Norwegian krone. In francs CFA, for students from Cameroon, this is equivalent to like 7.2 million francs CFA. This money, you are going to put it in that bank that your school is going to give you, okay? Or your school is going to write it. You will find it on top of your admission letter. That is a conditional admission letter. You will find the name of the bank on it. You transfer the money inside. 121,220 Norwegian krone is equivalent to 7.2 million francs CFA for those in Cameroon. For those in Nigeria and other African countries, you can convert to your local currencies. I do not know, okay? It depends on where you are. And remember, this money is excluded. The bank charges are not included. That is what I mean. So when you are transferring this money into this bank account in Norway, put into consideration that you have to pay bank charges. But what is going into that bank account is 121,220 Norwegian krone, which is equivalent to 7.2 million francs CFA for those in Cameroon. This money is your money. You are in charge of the account. You own the account because you will be given the SWIFT code and the IBAN. So you are the one in charge of the money. Now, some other person will say, what if I'm not given the visa? If you are not given the visa with the help of the diplomatic office with a letter given to you by a rejection letter, you are opportune, or you will be able to withdraw your money back, okay? But now, this money that you put in that bank, the bank name will always come, or will always come on top. You will find it on top of your admission letter, okay? So don't get it mixed up. When you see it, you transfer this money into your bank account. Then you are now required to take the bank confirmations that you have transferred the desired amount into the bank in Norway, and the authorities in Norway are going to confirm. They will give you documents to take to the embassy or the consular or whichsoever diplomatic office which is going to issue you a visa or a residence permit. Remember, Norway is a very good country for those who are going for programs like the civil engineering, computer technology, history, philosophers. It is a country with a variety of subjects or courses to study, okay? Now, with a copy of your visa and a residence permit or whichsoever document has been given to you, you will be opportune to work at least 4 hours a day as a student in Norway, okay? So you will be able to take care of yourself with your part-time job or whatsoever thing you get. Remember, your tuition is free. The money you put in that bank account is money that belongs to you, okay? So if you go to Norway and you decide not to use the money, it is still your own problem, all right? But you must satisfy this procedure. You must show proof that you are financially stable because you have housing to pay, you have food to feed on, you have transportation, so that is the use of the money, and you don't withdraw the money at once. You will have a certain amount you will be withdrawing. So without the confirmation of this money from the bank, you will not be able to apply for your visa or the residence permit. Remember, as a student, you have the opportunity to work part-time or full-time. It depends on whatsoever the case and how your program or your school program is. Alright, so don't get it mixed up. Norway is a very good country. You are going to study for free. There are a lot of universities in almost all the cities like Oslo, Bergen, Stavanger, Eda, Tromsø, Nord, and there are a lot of programs for master's degree students. Remember, again, for master's degree students, there are cases where the university will ask you to show proof or to show confirmation that you actually pass this subject at your high school. What do I mean by this? There for Cameroon students, or for Cameroon students, that you might find a requirement saying, or a rule saying that show confirmation of your high school results, which means you are going to go to the GCE board, the General Certificate of Education Board Cameroon, and you take confirmations from them. And they will also require you or tell the organization to forward it to us, which means you are not the one to send these confirmations. Okay, when they say don't send, please don't always send, because if you send, they will know. Remember, when an institution is sending a document to another institution, they already know there are stamps and there are signatures they must see on top of this document. Okay, so always put that in mind, and don't forget that Norway is a very, very cold country. Even at times up to March and April, you will still have snow falling during the winter seasons. Okay, so but it is very good. If you study in this country, you are going to enjoy it. Remember, some of the cities like Oslo are highly expensive. So if you choose to go to the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, which is not in Oslo, it is your advantage than somebody living in Oslo. But also it depends on how much you have. Alright, but remember, the bank account stuff must be satisfied. Without it, you cannot go anywhere, and without the document, you can't apply during your admission process. Remember, I mentioned a bank statement. You need it for your master's degree programs, and also don't forget, you need a proficiency of English language test. Alright, so those are some of the things you need to know about Norway. After that, if you are given the visa, you can now go to your desired university and you start lectures. Lectures start in August. Alright, admissions will open by September and October, November, and ends in December. So lectures will begin in August of the previous year. Alright, so don't forget. Thank you guys. If you didn't understand anything, please check the description of my video, and if you have a problem, also go to the comment section. You drop a comment to me. Alright, I shall be right back with you. Don't forget to like, share, and you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and you turn off the notification bell. Okay, if you also have a possibility, also try to share our videos, because a friend out there might need it. Alright, in my next video, I'm going to talk about study opportunities in Latvia. Latvia is also a country in Europe. Alright, but it is not tuition free. It is not tuition free like Norway. It is not also expensive like Sweden. So I'm going to bring you things with regards to Latvia in my next video. Please don't forget, if you are looking for a free online course, go to EDX or Coursera. The link will be down there in my description. If you don't know the spelling, please check my description. You are going to find everything there. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do share all our videos to friends and families. Okay, it's going to help them a lot. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.